In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label emails in Gmail. First, we need to open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to the Gmail website or opening the Gmail app on your device. Once you're there, you will see your inbox filled with emails. It's essential to be in the right place so you can manage your emails effectively. This is the foundation of organizing your communications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it helps streamline the process of labeling. Now, let's open the email you want to label. Click on the email to view its content. As you do this, you will see the email expand in the center of the screen. This step is important because it allows you to review the email and decide on the appropriate label. Being able to read through the email before labeling ensures you categorize it correctly. Once you have the email open, you are ready for the next step. Next, click on the label icon, which looks like a small tag or label. You'll find this icon at the top of the email window. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This action is crucial because it opens up your options for labeling. Each label helps you group your emails by categories that make sense to you. You can easily recognize the label icon by its tag shape, and clicking here is a key step in organizing your inbox. From that drop-down menu, select an existing label that you want to apply to the email. You will see a list of labels that you have created or default labels provided by Gmail. This is the moment where you can categorize the email based on your preferences. Choosing the right label helps you manage your emails more efficiently. It can save you time in the long run when searching for specific emails based on their labels. Finally, click Apply to confirm your selection. This will assign the chosen label to the email. You will see a confirmation message briefly appear, indicating that your changes have been saved. This step is vital because it ensures that the email is now organized under the correct category. By applying the label, you enhance your productivity, making it easier to find and sort through your emails later. With that, you have successfully labeled one email in Gmail. Remember, labeling is a simple yet powerful feature that helps maintain a tidy inbox. It allows you to quickly access important communications without sifting through countless emails. Make it a habit to label your emails as they come in. This proactive approach will save you time and trouble in managing your correspondence. Now that you know how to label one email, you can use this same method for others. As you practice, you'll become more efficient at organizing your inbox. The more you label, the more streamlined your email management will become. It's all about creating a system that works for you. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.